How to change account location on Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, go here on our Roblox account. And once you're now here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. And once you're now here, on the top right corner of your screen, just click the settings icon and then click settings. Once you click settings right there, what we need to do right here, if we scroll down, as you can see, my current account location is in the Philippines. Now, if you want to change it, all you have to do is to scroll down right here until you see the help section. So just click the help section right there, and then you will be redirected right here, in which you can click this Roblox account. I need help with my account. So just click that one right there. And once you are now here, all you have to do is to scroll down right there and then click see all 14 articles. So all you have to do is to scroll down again until you see this account location. So just click the account location right there. And once you're now here, all you have to do is to go here below the how do I change my account location. So all you have to do is to click the support form, and then you will be redirected again into another tab. And then all you have to do is to put your contact information. So as you can see right here, you can put your username, your first name, your email address, and then for the issue details, of course, we're going to describe on what our problem is, and then of course, the type of help category. So all you have to do is to put your email right here. And then once you're now there on the device type, what we're going to do is to click on PC since we are using a PC. Now for the type of help category, what we're going to do is to click on that and then just look for how to, which is right here. And then for the help subcategory type, all you have to do is to click general right there. And then on this part, please describe your issue. All you have to do is to put that my current location is wrong and I want to change it. My current location is, and in this part, of course, you're going to put your location. So just put which country you are in. And then let's put, I hope you can solve it. Then thanks. Right there. So it's up to you if you want to describe your issue differently, but that's an example right there. And then all you have to do is to, of course, click continue on there, on that, and then just wait for their reply. So they will reply in your email address. So just check your email from time to time, and then they will reply as soon as possible. Then after that, they will resolve your problem, and then your location will now be changed into your preferred location. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to change location on Roblox.